Working Z-Visa China 2019. What are the requirements? Let's have a look at the visa application process. First, 120-hour accredited TEFL certificate. Make a colour copy of the certificate and notarize the copy at a public notary. Second, a bachelor's degree. If the degree is teaching related, then you don't need the TEFL certificate. For subject teaching, a recommendation letter is needed to show that you have experience. Make a colour copy of the degree and notarize that copy at a public notary. Authenticate the notarized copy at the country's origins Department of Foreign Affairs. Authenticate the authenticated notarized copy at a Chinese embassy. Third, non-criminal background check. Make sure the police certificate was issued within the last 6 months. Make a colour copy of the background check and notarize the copy at a public notary. Authenticate the notarized copy at the country's origins Department of Foreign Affairs. Authenticate the authenticated notarized copy at a Chinese embassy. Fourth, passport. Scan a colour copy of the passport information page. Fifth, passport size photograph. Take a photo per Chinese passport specifications. Sixth, physical examination form. Complete the exam per the template and have the doctor sign and stamp the document. For more information, check the box below.